Good afternoon. Welcome to Rado's stylish men's watch review. Let's take a closer look at this accessory. The watch has a ceramic case, which makes it durable and easy to wear. The case size is 27.3 millimeters, which allows them to be compact and not take up much space on the wrist. The watch glass is made of sapphire, which guarantees protection from scratches and damage. The bracelet is also made of ceramic, which reduces the weight of the accessory and increases its durability. This watch is made in Switzerland, known for its high-quality watchmaking. The clock mechanism is quartz, which ensures the accuracy of time readings. The dial has no damage and is in good condition. In addition to showing the time, the watch also has a date display function. This Rado watch is in excellent condition with no damage and is ready to be a stylish addition to your look.